Wait for it. Wait for it. It's really important. 3, 2.
Welcome to North Carolina.
Woohoo! That's right, guys. If you haven't been following me, you may not know that I recently got called up to New York City. That's right. They had the rope and everything to get a job done up there. Went up there, did that, flew in, stayed a couple days, did some work. Just flew out this morning, landed in Virginia, and now I'm back on the road headed to North Carolina. Learned a lot about how many people are gonna die in New York City. if a true SHTF situation, these people have no possibility of survival. What are we gonna talk about next time? I don't know. To be honest with you, I'm just fully blitzed right now. This is more of a message to my Patrons than anything else, because they get a video every day, but I figured I'd kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Right now I'm on my way to a gas station that serves the best chicken fingers I've ever had in my life. And oddly enough, I could not find a single Red Bull inside the airport. So I wonder if that's like a New York, de Blasio, Giuliani, something stupid thing. Not exactly sure. If you know, put it in the comments. All right, guys, until the next time, thanks for watching. I'll figure out what I'm going to talk about next time. I want you to stay safe. I want you to have a great weekend. And that's it. I'm just driving crazy. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.